And guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa pagkuha ng passport ngayong 2026. Una, i-open natin yung ating browser. I-type natin sa address passport.gov.ph. So, i-click lang natin itong schedule an appointment. Check natin itong by proceeding with this application. So, since ang tutorial natin ngayon is yung individual appointment. So, click natin to. So, i-select natin guys kung saan tayo magpa-appointment. Then, sa bandang baba, i-check natin tong I confirm that I have read. Then, click natin yung next. Ayun guys, nakalagay naman na dito yung earlier available appointment. So, ang available na lang dito guys yung 28, 29, and 30. Pwede nyo i-select itong 29. Ayan, example, ito na lang yung pipiliin natin, 10 AM. Then, click natin yung next. So, fill up pa natin to guys. So, make sure natin na tama yung mga information na ilalagay natin bago tayo mag-proceed. Then, click natin itong I agree. Then, fill up pa natin to guys. After natin ma-fill upan, click natin yung next. Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa father's information. So, ilagay natin yung pangalan ng father natin. Then, mother's information, maiden last name. Ibig sabihin ng maiden last name, yung apelyado niya nung pagkadalaga. Then, after natin ma-fill upan guys, click natin yung next. Dito sa application type, i-select natin guys kung ano yung kukunin natin. Kung bago lang tayo kukuha ng passport, so i-select natin dito yung new. Then, basis of the citizenship. So, select natin dito yung birth. Then, emergency contact person. So, importante rin to guys. Ilagay natin dito yung emergency contact person natin. And guys, after natin ma-fill upan, click natin yung next. Then, ilagay natin guys yung complete address natin dito. After natin ma-fill upan, click natin yung next. And guys, i-review natin yung mga tinype natin na information kung tama. Kung may nakita kayong mali, gamitin natin tong edit. Ito guys, yung button. Para mabalikan natin at ma-edit natin yung information na yon. Then, wag natin kalimutan na i-click yung save. So, kung tama naman yung mga information na nilagay natin, so scroll down lang natin. Then, check natin to guys, I'm not a robot. Then, i-check natin to guys yung I am aware. Then, confirm. Please choose a processing type. Regular processing, 950. So, 12 working days ito guys bago ma-release yung ating passport. Then, special processing, kung halimbawa nagmamadali tayo guys, so 1,200 naman yung fee nila. So, halimbawa, i-select natin regular processing fee. Then, please choose a payment method. So, pwede tayo magbayad sa e-payment. So, via Paymaya. Then, pwede rin tayo magbayad sa debit card. Then, pwede rin tayo magbayad sa over-the-counter via Bayad Center. Then, select natin yung pickup. Then, sa bandang baba guys, click natin yung Pay Now. So, kailangan bayaran natin within 24 hours. Kasi pag di natin nabayaran to guys within 24 hours, mag-expired yung ating reference number. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-expired na yung reference number natin, so kailangan natin ulit magre-reschedule ng panibago. Then, click natin to guys yung I agree. Then, proceed to payment. Payment reference. So, ito gamitin natin guys para mapagbayad tayo sa ating passport.